Hey guys, today I'm coming at you guys with a curly hair video. I'm giving you 4 different curly hair ideas that is great for the holidays or even just for an everyday hairstyle. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so first I'm starting off with damp hair. I'll have everything linked in the description box down below that I am using today. I'm going to start off by just parting this section here down the middle, and I'm going to be creating 2 low space buns. Also letting some hair out up front. Here I'm using the Cantu gel, extra hold. I am just tying it into a low, messy bun. I'm not pulling the bun all the way through on my 3rd loop. I am just pulling it halfway through, and I am leaving out the tips of my hair. And there you have it, the first hairstyle. On to the next. So for the second hairstyle, I'm going to part my hair in 2 sections. This is pretty much just a half up, half down hairstyle. The top hair is going to be pretty much bun. Here I am just parting some hair out on the side. Makes the hairstyle look more cuter. When I do the bun, I am only going in halfway on the 3rd loop. See there? I didn't pull it all the way through. And then I'm just tightening it. And then I'm just manipulating the hair, because you know you can do that with curly hair, and just leaving a little bit, tiny little curls out. I am just taking the back half and I'm just brushing it out. And there you have it, the second hairstyle. For the 3rd hairstyle, we're going to leave these 2 little sections of hair out that we already parted. And we're actually just going to take all of our hair out and we're going to pretty much make a messy bun. But first I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of more hair out up front, and I'm just going to part that in 2 sections. So we're just going to go ahead and brush that, get it as high as we possibly can. And we're not going to tie it all the way. And then we just tighten it up and manipulate it to how you want it to look. And there you have it, a cute, messy bun. Alright, so for the last hairstyle, we're going to create 2 top knot space buns, okay? So instead of going low space buns, we're going to bring them up super high. This hairstyle is actually my favorite hairstyle. Here, you see we're not actually pulling the hair through at all, because we want to create that full illusion, like we have voluminous hair since we already have short hair, but our curls definitely make up for it. I'm just doing the same thing over here on the other side. And there you have it, my top knot space buns. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys aren't subscribed already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.